Installing a new roof or repair your existing roof are two very important tasks that you do not want to entrust to just anyone. You need to find a good roofing service to make sure that this crucial part of your home's infrastructure is in good hands. There are a few things that you should investigate before you hire a roofing service company. First, you want to find a service that specializes in roofs rather than just a general contractor that does some roofing jobs. Second, check to make sure that the service company has insurance and is bonded. Next, it is important to get good references. Finally, you want to try to find a roofing service company that offers other services for the home as well. In addition to yearly roof maintenance, it is also important to do yearly gutter cleaning, siding power washing, deck cleaning, etc. Many roofing companies have diversified their offerings in order to satisfy more of their customers' needs. What are you waiting for? Contact Amex Roofing for roofing services at 604-985-1859 or visit us online https://www.amexroofing.ca/.